Welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today we're going to show you how you can make some cake toppers. So this little lady has her birthday in a few days. How old are you going to be?
3.
3! And as it's a lockdown birthday, I reckon I'm probably going to overcompensate a little bit with the party decor. And you said you wanted a rainbow on your cake, don't you? So I'm going to make a rainbow cake topper, and I think I might make some other little bits as well to go on the cake. Probably going to make them over the next couple of days, just whenever I've got a little bit of time. We can craft something, don't we?
Yeah.
Should we start with a rainbow cake topper?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go make! So look at my craft supplies, and I had some Fimo polymer clay left, so I'm going to use that for the cake topper. Unfortunately, I didn't have any nice bright colors, so I'm just going to use the white one, and I'm going to paint it later. Also made some clouds, a little sunshine and the number 3, and Kiki made a nice shape as well. And now we're gonna bake these in the oven according to the instructions on your clay. They are all baked and cooled down, so now we can paint. I'm using a selection of colors from the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch paints. They are safe to use on toys, so I assume they're safe to use on cake toppers too. These were the shapes after the first coat of paint, and when the second coat was dry, it was time just to glue it all together. Just add a bit of hot glue to the holes you made in your rainbow, and then just stick the skewers in. And to attach the shapes, you simply put a bit of glue on the rainbow and then stick your cloud on top. Sorry, the video is pretty bad lighting wise here. But how to attach your skewers to the other shapes is by simply putting a dab of glue on the back of them and stick your skewer in. I add a few details with a black Sharpie, and as you can see, Kiki did a pretty good job painting her shape too. And with Shivachi I didn't film, but she also wrote her name on it.
Birthday to Hester.
Kiki, that's not my birthday. You silly sausage.
Happy birthday to Hester.
I also thought it might be nice to make cake toppers of her friends, as they can't come to her birthday party. At least they're sort of there by being on top of her cake. So I've done in Photoshop, I got some portrait pictures and I took the heads off. And then I print them out. You don't have to do this in Photoshop, you can just print the pictures out as well and just cut around the little heads. You then need some nice printed paper, some stickers and little sticks to make party hats for your friends. Okay, toddler tantrum. Kiki wasn't happy with me using a jewel, so let's rewind and use stickers instead. Another super simple idea are these banners. You just need some washi tape that you stick around the top of a skewer. Then you're gonna cut it into a nice shape and you write something on it. Couldn't be easier. All my cake top is done. We got the Fimo clay ones. We have the cute little friends that can sit on her cake, so they sort of are with her on her birthday party. And we have the super simple banner ones. Now all I need to do is bake a cake. Did you have a nice birthday, Kiki? Did you have a nice cake? Did you like your cake?
Yeah.
Was it delicious? Isn't it so nice that even though she has a birthday in lockdown, of course nobody could come to her house, but her friends could sort of still be there because they were on top of her cake. I thought it was very cute and the cake was delicious, wasn't it, Kiki? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up or a heart if you watch it on IGTV. Are you saying everything I'm saying?
Yeah.
Can you also tell them that if they like or heart, it's really good for my video algorithm and that more people get to see it? Should we say that too?
Yeah.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll be back soon with a new video, won't we, Kiki?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we make something else then?
Yeah.
Should we say bye-bye now?
Bye.
Bye!